this up. Good thing we got editing magic to clean this up. You're gonna clean it up. You're gonna clean it up, okay?
Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm back. Yeah. So I don't really have a video like ready. I have a few in the works, but it's gonna be a bit because some of them are kind of garbage, so I'm gonna make them somewhat good. I plan very soon. Probably my next video will be a 3D printer part 2 video. We'll update. We're gonna talk about it and set up Octoprint and give it a permanent home because it's been in a temporary home for like a while because I haven't found a good spot for it. But that will all change, and I'll make a video about that. But for now, because I need to get something out because I'm very inconsistent with uploading. Here is the main build of the 3D printer video because there were a lot of funny moments and we talked, and honestly I said I'm probably gonna edit this later and then make it its own video, but yeah, that's exactly what I'm doing. Okay, I'm starting to go on about things. All right, enjoy the video. And I'll see you when I get more crap done. What?
Okay, where's the... I fixed it.
It's, oh. There's that. And then... Alright, where's the... Get the instruction manual. Get the instruction manual. We're probably gonna need it again.
You should... Is there a sticker on there? That better be a freaking sticker.
No.
Cut back in. What is
That's alright.
Wait. Wait.
Like have it open.
No. I was just checking.
Alright.
Just to remember. Okay.
Alright, we're back. Here's the instructions to build it. Also, everything is all clean. Nice and clean. That's a lot of instructions.
That's a Lego. Yeah, we're gonna instantly build it. This is a building video.
Do you want to cut? Here, I'll keep it recording. Alright. Alright, we're gonna build this. That was an awful snap. We're gonna build this. Here.
I always come back.
Okay. Alright. And we're gonna build this in 3, 2, 1. Okay. And we build it.
This one connects to the power supply. Remember that. When you have the pen pointing towards at you, the right side should have the power supply. Just remember that.
Yeah, well, it should be on the side of the motherboard. So
The motherboard on the left, power supply on the right. Also, you want to go ahead and clip these correctly? What'd I do?
God, this thing.
Yeah, I'm trying to use this the least as possible because I just really don't like using the bed destroyer. So, yeah, you do everything. Yeah. Samuel, if you're a Minecraft YouTuber, there would be fan cams of you holding a knife with me. Yeah, let that sink in.
let's keep this right here so they can hear us talk about what we're talking about.
Okay. Yeah, plate. Yeah, you just wanna do it correctly. Also, I heard this really good advice that every time you start a new print, along with you bed leveling, you should also pour like some isopropyl alcohol and wipe it down.
Don't have that.
You wanna go to the store after this? No, I mean, do you not want the bed? Who's home?
Someone's good.
outside. Say hi. Wiggity, go say hi.
Hey, I got a question.
Yeah.
Are your parents wine people? What?
Are your parents wine people?
My mom is.
Boom. Because I saw the funny pour glass cube.
She has a big wine glass, like an oversized wine glass.
I'm not too fond of gay people.
Right now.
Sorry, I just when I think of wine glass, I think of the dog with the wine glass. But the text is not too fond of gay people.
Wow, I sure do love wine. Remember that
I'm
account?
becoming wine.
Remember that stupid Twitter account, the guy?
I like how it was ended off with him becoming one with the wine.
Yeah.
Oh my god, that's so.
I love wine. With that stupid smile he's doing.
If I'm not drinking wine, I'm
wrong.
offing myself.
Wait. Okay, sorry, words wrong. So
I can't. Even though I said it, I can't stop thinking about what I said.
what?
The fan cam thing. It's so fucking funny.
I sure hope I never get stands, which I probably won't, because this is a tech channel, and I don't think.
Do you think Linus takes this good stand?
I don't think so. I think it's only like Minecraft YouTubers and Mr. Beast.
And memes. Like he's a meme. I'm a meme.
I mean, like, I don't think people understand.
Yeah, people don't understand.
Yeah, they
Too
really
complex.
don't. Yeah, they don't.
You the smart to understand Linus Tech Tip me. Yeah, me when I put a PC on my ass. Yeah, you gotta be really advanced.
This one first try. Wrong.
Small hybrid.
This one first try. Right.
That was actually the second try.
Shut up. Damn it. We gotta take it all apart again.
Why?
I put this on this side.
Makes sense.
Where we got first try on yours. That I just happy to get it what he sent you.
Yeah, and now that we know about it, we no.
Nope,
No.
we get it wrong still.
I wonder if you took a plane ride. Oh. If I ever took a plane ride, I would instantly like buy a pie camera and then tape it to my window.
Oh my god.
I think that would be great.
One of the stupid every like YouTuber
Yeah.
flying like flight. You gotta show the view.
You gotta show it and then you gotta time lapse it. I also find it weird that you gotta sleep where you sit. I hate sleeping where I sit.
Unless you have first class. Unless you have like if you're on a first class fancy airplane, they just make the chairs into beds.
Yeah, but like, who's that rich? I probably go into like the economic one. Oh.
Ugh.
I like how when you get into the economic one, it's paper mache airplane. It feels like.
Yeah, it's awful. It's really bad.
Have you went on a plane?
Not one since I was like a baby.
Me too.
It's been that long, and honestly, I'm terrified of planes.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
It's like a 3D printer.
Say that again.
A plane is just like a 3D printer. Garbage. When I'm in a flimsy contest and my opponent is a 3D printer. Yeah. Nice chops. Reality 4, 2, 3, 4. I still think it's cool that you got the motherboard upgrade.
Yeah. Like my mom was like, "Yeah, you're gonna get a high-tech printer." I was like,
Yeah, she's
I mean-
technology. Yeah, they're pretty high tech.
"I mean, this is already amazing." I mean,
I forgot to take photos of the cat earlier. No, I said you on, right?
what cat?
The cat I was printing.
Oh yeah, you did.
It looked really good, and there were like some what was it called? Just blobs on it. I mean, after the cleanup, it looked really good. There wasn't too much cleanup. I mean, it was just
Did I tell you my idea for
No,
another print for Owen?
no. Oh, no. You haven't. You said another photo
No, not
or
a
print
little,
from.
like an actual like model.
Oh yeah. Well, yeah. You said that, but that's all. That's all it went to.
Oh, okay.
Went to.
So I had the dumb idea to, because you're gonna have to teach me how to use.
You gotta use what?
Blender, because I could probably make it in Inventor Fusion, but it would just be complicated.
I mean, yeah, doing it directly while
Blender.
it's destructive, it's easier.
Yeah. I want to make that stupid Moxie model, but I want to make it so god awful. Did you see the drawing I made of him?
What's that sound? Oh, yeah. You sent me it,
the stupid drawing I made.
The one you made in MS Paint?
Yeah.
Yeah, I saw that.
Yeah, I want to make something like that with a 3D model. I want to print it out, paint it entirely white, and then do an awful job at painting it.
Okay, that sounds awesome.
That would be really funny.
You know what?
Since apparently Owen absolutely loved that MS Paint drawing.
Yeah, I know. He told me about it. He's like, wow. Even though the fingers need a bit work, it looks amazing. I was like, where the hell are you coming from?
I was like, what? This is I literally drew it in like 5 minutes.
Oregon, the home of adult animations such as the Netflix original adult one. Wait. Do you? Oh, you always have it too. Why is this a thing?
What, how it moves like that?
Yeah. Well, yours isn't as bad as mine, but like, it's still a thing. I don't like that. I don't. Okay. What's the next step anyway?
Next step is power supply and screen. Keep doing like. You gotta smile like this.
No. Okay, power supply. Here, take it. Take it!
You do your thing down there. I'm gonna get the bed on, and then I guess I'll start working on step 3. I'm at 4. Actually, wait, no, that's on your side. Well, it's the motor. The motor. Joe Biden.
Joe Biden. Wait, what?
Joe Biden.
You know fanfic.net.
Look at this. Fanfic.net. What did you just say?
You know that website?
No.
I was wondering, does I want to read fanfics on Volunteer Campus?
Time.
What website does it use?
I don't know.
Fanfic.net.
I genuinely don't know. No. You want to know like what he did, like how dedicated he is to that stupid community?
Yeah.
I tried to call him. Like I was asking him something really important.
Mm-hmm.
He ignored my call to continue reading football fan pictures. I was just like, are you f***ing serious? Man, I got an important question to you. And you're reading about demons. I keep calling them demons. They're imps. F***ing each other.
I think I slammed. Honestly, I'm surprised you and Owen don't do horny bonk stupid stuff. Like, wow, Owen's horny bonk.
He does it to me.
Really?
Yeah, he says like, you're horny, bonk. Whenever I say something really stupid, I just don't do it to him. I probably need to start doing it to him. Yeah. I remind him every day to take his pills.
You should also bomb him. What pills?
I don't know. Pills to make him normal pills.
Normal pills. Okay, what's next?
For you at least.
Ew.
Yeah.
Ew.
Yeah.
Okay. What step am I on?
5, I think. Or it's the one where you're getting ready to put this on. That's on the first page.
Boobs. What is this video? No. This can't be happening. you follow Hard Drive News?
Nope.
Do you follow any news parodies?
Not at all.
Some of these are kind of funny.
Oh, didn't Hard Drive News make the stupid parody, like the news that all weeds are gonna explode in 2020?
Yeah, yeah. I mean, every
So
single
many,
post
so
is
many,
like that.
so many people believe that. I was just like, this. I was like looking at it. I was like,
I was following them for a while. I was like, wow, is this gonna be the one that blows up? This out of everything?
the we.
We went running out of Wii U titles. Nintendo announces a Switch port of Super Mario Odyssey. Real. What the is this photo? Some of these photoshops are so fucking awesome.
Put the fucking extruder upside down.
Oh my god. that just happened.
Alright, that is gonna conclude this video. This was mainly the best moments from this video. Funnies, and yeah. So, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in a few weeks when I get that 3D printer video done very soon. Alright, yeah. Okay. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye.